So I got this. Move it to my face.
Okay.
So I had these pots newly bought for my customer. This time around, we went for pots, and we call it iron pot, which is the normal aluminium pot, which we call the Yoruba call ikoko. So today, I got this spoon. It was customized with the name of my client. I customized the name. It comes with spatula and it's very, very heavy. It's very, very thick. Not the normal, usual light ones that when you are packing your meat, the spoon is going to bend and break off. No, this is very thick. Then here, I have here, we call this one Agbaro Ojuko for frying of meat, and I also bought this. This is the biggest size for this, and it's very, very good for frying. Then when it comes to the pot, I bought this pot. This is size 30. I customized the name, and it's, I think, it's big, it's heavy. Look at it, comes with stand. So it has a stand, so the base will not touch the ground and it will not get liquid in time. This is the big. So this is another one. This is for frying. You can fry with this. It serves as cover and it's also served as frying. But it's also cover for this one. So we can use it to cover this one. Stand as this one. This is also big. But I made this. You can see the name is customized. And it can also stand as cover. So this is for cover. Oops. Then this is for the biggest one. You can customize the name. For my clients, I customize the name. And this big pot is very big. This is the biggest size. It's very, very big. It isn't just only big. It's thick, it's heavy. And it comes with stand. Oops. See the stand. So I was able to get all these for my client. And I hope she's going to like it. So if you also want something like this, you can take advantage. You can answer Jalakwe space to get this perfectly made for you, all the way from Shaki. I made this pot. This pot you are seeing, even the spoon, all the way from Shaki. It was not just buying in the market. It was well produced, and it's going to last very well. Thank you. I also have here cooking iron gas, which I also bought for my client. So I bought this double face, so for easy access to carry to Lagos. I'm carrying them all the way from Ibadan to Lagos, and I bought the single face here also in Ibadan. So all this is going to Lagos, and it's for my client. And this is very strong iron. So I'm packing everything, both the pots, the gas, the cooking gas. I'm taking everything to Lagos, and they're nice. I got them here in Ibadan. Get all these items here in Ibadan, and if you really want them to customize, that is important of it. So nobody's going to steal your pot, your spatula, your spoon. Like this ones, I customize the pot. The name of the client is fully written on the cover, every part of the pot, so it's so easy for her to identify her things. So thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe so that every time Ojolakwe Space brings a new content, you are going to be aware. See you in my next video. Bye.